Hi guys, how are you? Welcome to English with Alex and Em. My name is Alex. I am 24 years old and I live in Mongolia.
Hi everyone, my name is Emily. I'm 23 years old and I also live in Mongolia.
So what we want you guys to do for a short warm-up is answer these 3 questions. So number 1, what is your name? Number 2, how old are you? And number 3, where do you live? So if you need to, you can pause now and answer those questions. Okay, so we are going to begin our lesson now. Today's lesson is for the 10th grade. It is Module 3, Unit 8, Climate and Environment. So what we want you to do first is maybe take a minute to read these questions. Number 1, what is your favorite type of weather? Number 2, why do people often talk about the weather? And number 3, do you check weather reports regularly? So you guys can pause now and try to answer the questions. Okay, so now that you've had some time to answer, Emily and I will talk and answer the questions.
Okay, Alex, what's your favorite type of weather?
My favorite type of weather is sunny weather. Sunny weather. Okay. Emily, why do people often talk about weather?
I think people talk about the weather because it is a good way to meet new people. Okay, Alex, do you check weather reports regularly?
Yes. So I check weather reports every day to see what I should wear. So maybe if it is very cold, I can check the weather report and see I need to wear a coat. Or if it is very sunny outside, I can check the weather report and I know to wear short sleeves. Okay, so your answers should look like ours. They don't have to, but maybe they are similar to ours. Okay, so now moving on to our new vocabulary words. So we have our new words here on the left. And what I want you guys to do is take a minute to try to match the new words. So you guys try to match now. You can pause the video. Okay, so now I am going to go ahead and match these words. So our first word is a drizzle. And a drizzle is a light rain or a light shower. So this is a very light rain, not heavy. Our second word is a hurricane. You guys might have known this one already. But a hurricane is a storm with a strong wind. It's a very big windstorm. Our third word is a breeze. Where is a breeze? Maybe down here. And a breeze is a very light wind. It is not heavy. It's very light. Like on a nice breezy day. Our next word is hail. I would say that one is right here. And hail is pieces of frozen rain. So it's when rain freezes. I'll zoom in, you guys can see that a little bit better. But they are big pieces of frozen rain. Our next word is sleet. S-L-E-E-T. That one is right here. And sleet and hail are very similar, but you can think of sleet as very small, but hail as large. And sleet is defined as rain with ice. So it is rain and ice together, little pieces of ice. Our next word is frost. So frost you can see here on the leaves. And this is just when things freeze up. It's ice crystals on plants, on the ground, or other surfaces when it is very cold outside. Our next word is a shower. And a shower is defined as a light fall of rain, sleet, snow, or hail. And usually showers are very quick. So I would say this one is a shower. It's like a medium rain. Our next word is a downpour. And where is downpour? Downpour is here. And a downpour is a heavy fall of rain. So you can think of a drizzle as a very small rain, a shower is a medium rain, and downpour as a very big rain, a large storm. Our next word is blizzard. And a blizzard is just a large snowstorm, lots of snow. Next word is gale. Gales usually happen at the coast or by the ocean, and it's a big windstorm. It's defined as a very strong wind. Our last one is thunder. So in the picture, we see we have lightning. This is lightning right here, but the sound that you hear, boom, is thunder. So this is the only sound. So this one is a sound. So you hear it, you do not see thunder. Okay? So you guys can take a moment to check your answers, see if you are correct, and we will move on to the next section. So in this section, you guys are going to try to match the type of storm or the type of weather with the correct categories. We've got 3 categories: rain, wind, and cold. Okay. So you can pause now and try to match our vocabulary words into each category. Okay. So let's go over these. So our first one was drizzle. If we remember, drizzle was a small rain, a very light rain. Our second word was hurricane. This is a very big windstorm. A hurricane is a big windstorm. A breeze, we said this was a light wind. Hail. This one we would put under cold because it only hails if it is very cold outside. And we had sleet. Sleet and hail were very similar, but sleet is small and hail is large. Then we had frost. Bluster we didn't do, so we just won't include that. Shower. Shower is a medium rain. Downpour. This was a very heavy rain. What else? Blizzard would go under cold. A big snowstorm is a blizzard. Gale would be a wind. And then last but not least, we had thunder. And again, thunder, this one is a sound. We do not see it, we only hear it. Draw a little ear here. So it is a sound. Okay, so you can check your answers. We'll move to the next section.
Okay, so now we're going to move on to exercise 4A, and this is going to give us the structure, the sentence structure for talking about the weather right now or at the moment, and also for making predictions about weather in the future or talking about the weather forecast. So on your own, I want you to read the example sentences and then look at questions or numbers 1 and 2 and try to decide which structures we are going to use to talk about weather at the moment or weather in the future. So you should be choosing A or B for 1 and 2. Okay, so for number 1, when we talk about the weather at the moment, we use A. And in answer A, we are given 3 different structures that we can use to talk about the weather now. So A is the correct answer. And the first structure is it is plus an adjective. So we can say it is sunny. And to talk about the weather right now, we can use words like today, phrases like at the moment, or now. So it is sunny today. The second structure is it is a plus adjective plus noun. So we can say something like it is a cold day. So in the first sentence, sunny is our adjective. In this sentence, cold is our adjective. And day is our noun. Okay, and this third structure, it is plus verb plus ing is present continuous. So we can say something like it is raining now or at the moment. So raining is our verb plus ing. Okay, so these are some example sentences for each of the structures that you can use to talk about weather at the moment. Okay, and in number 2, we're learning how to talk about the weather forecast or making predictions for weather in the future. So the correct answer is A. It will be plus adjective, or it is going to be plus adjective. Okay, so we can make predictions for future days such as tomorrow or next week, or also in the future on the same day. So you could say, it will be windy later today, or it will be windy tomorrow. So this structure is it will be plus adjective. So our adjective is windy. Okay, and our second structure is it is going to be plus adjective. So we could say something like, it is going to be cloudy next Monday. So in this example, cloudy is our adjective. Okay, and with these future structures, we can also get rid of the to be and just say, it will rain. So in the case where rain is a verb, we do not need the to be. It will rain is okay. It's a full sentence. Or we can do the same thing for it is going to. We can get rid of that be. It is going to snow. Okay? So these are some different structures that you can use to talk about weather right now or to talk about the weather forecast. So in this exercise 4B, we are going to make sentences using the given words, and it tells us whether it's happening now or whether it's a forecast, so in the future. Okay, so for example, you can take a few minutes to complete this activity, and you can pause the video. Otherwise, I'm going to start with number 1. We can say, it is sunny and boiling today. So boiling means very hot. So the sun is out and it's very hot. Number 2 is a forecast, so it's a prediction about the future. So we can say, it will be windy and dry. And we can add tomorrow. Okay, so now we're on number 3. and that's happening now. So, it is present simple, cloudy, and cool at the moment. Okay, cloudy and cool. Number 4. Number 4 is a forecast. It is going to be. And misty means there is some water in the air. And chilly. Chilly means a little bit cold. Okay, number 5 is also a forecast. So we can say tomorrow. It will be overcast and rainy. Number 6 is happening now. So it is okay, and for number 6 we have to use that verb it is plus verb plus ing structure. It is hailing and drizzling now. So I've given you the first 6, and for homework you can complete 7 through 12, and we will go over them another time. Bye!
Bye.